flow. Lessons I learn everywhere I go. Planting good seeds, watching them grow. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Just forward ever on this mystic track. Love is the power that we all lack. Gotta find that rhythm, get back on attack. Soul fire burning bright, guiding my steps through the darkest night. Soul fire burning true. Every sunrise a brand new view. From a little old days, me did I pray. Oh, the body can't last, but the spirit can't flee. Say, mommy, I feel cry, but you look on me. Say, son, life bigger than the 9 to 5 stress. Yeah, enough time I broke, but the mind still rich. Sit on the zinc roof, talk truth with the moonlight switch. Ask Jah, why am I there? What the plan for me? Voice in my heart say, ooh, wake up, you free. This is the journey through the eye, through the eye. More than flesh, more than tears where we cry. When the body drop back to the earth, we still rise. Soul can't done, soul can't die. Journey through the eye, through the eye. Walk with courage, even when you're shy. Trotting on a road where you can't always sight. Still you know, say the fire they inside. Them teach we about gold, about the car, about the chain. But no textbook teach how to carry your pain. Real school are the struggle, every scar a one page. Every loss a one drum, every win a one stage. Hear me now, brother, every saint did stray. Even king have to crawl for him, find him where. So when you slip, just rise, brush off the shame. Cause I no mark you with your worst mistake name. This are the journey, through the eye. More than flesh, more than tears where we cry. When the body drop back to the earth, we still rise. Soul can't done, soul can't die. Journey through the eye, through the eye. Walk with courage, even when you're shy. Trotting on the road where you can't always sight. Still you know, say the fire they inside. Whole heap of road where you have to walk on your own. Still you never yet alone, spirit always there on. Alright, every little heartbeat I jump for your tribe. Every breath where you take a reminder you're alive. So when Babylon a pressure your mind, make sure your soul no sign. Hold firm, keep your crown in a place. Real riches are the light and are your fears. This are the journey through the eye, through the eye. More than flesh, more than tears where we cry. When the body drop back to the earth, we still rise. Soul can't done, soul can't die. Journey through the eye, through the eye. Walk with courage, even when you're shy. Trotting on a road where you can't always sight. Still you know, say the fire they inside. Fire they inside. Soul can't die, soul can't die. up this morning feeling irate. Sun in the sky, up your prophecy. This journey vexes me, sometimes you see, but my spirit's strong, wild and free. Chanting down Babylon walls, hear creation sweet call. Soul fire, burning bright, guiding my steps through the darkest night. Soul fire, burning true. Every sunrise, a brand new view. Life is a river winding slow, sometimes rapids, sometimes a gentle flow. Lessons I learn everywhere I go, planting good seeds, watching them grow. No fear, no doubt, no turning back, just forward ever on this mystic track. Love is the power that we all lack. Gotta find that rhythm, get back on attack. Soul fire, burning bright, guiding my steps through the darkest night. Soul fire, burning true. Every sunrise, a brand new view. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dust upon me heel, staff in me hand, me tread steady. Old drum beating on my chest, heartbeat a chant for me already. Grandma word them like stone, them build me spine, them hold me on. She said, you mine how you road, every little choice draw a road in your soul. Oh, the echoes span the ancient road. You hear it, you hear it, voice of the elders, them a Lord me code. Stand firm, stand firm, I saw the breeze explode. Me nah fall, me nah fall, me walk with the echoes span the ancient road. Enough man lost in a fast goal, flash like lightning gone when the rain cold. Me say slow step, sure step, make your backbone tick, your mind prep when the crosswind come. Me no bow, me plant my foot deep, me pray now. Truth of the lantern, love of the guide, out of the shadow, me left that aside. Echoes span the ancient road, yo listen for them, voice of the elders, they my Lord me code. Stand firm, stand firm, I saw the breeze explode. Me nah fall, me nah fall, me walk with the echoes span the ancient road. Who you be when the crowd can't see? Who you be when they like them free? Character or riches we can't take back. Put that in your heart, make it lock your track. Every fall just a lesson blessing in disguise. Every tear just water for your eyes. Rise, me brother, rise, me sister. Purpose of the drum on your soul of the rider. Echoes on the ancient road. Stand tall, my people. Voice of the elders. Them my Lord me code. Stand firm, stand firm. I saw the breeze explode. Me not fall, me not fall. Me walk with the echoes on the ancient road.
From a little youth days, me did I pray. Oh, the body can't last, but the spirit can't flee. Say, mommy have to cry, but she look on me. Say, son, life bigger than the 9 to 5 stress. Yeah, enough time I broke, but the mind still rich. Sit on the zinc roof, talk through to the moonlight, switch ask ya. Why me there, what the plan for me? Voice in my heart say, wake up, youth, you're free. This is the journey through the eye, through the eye. More than flesh, more than tears, where we cry. When the body drop back to the earth, we still rise. Soul can't done, soul can't die. Yeah, yeah. Journey through the eye, walk with courage, even when you're shy. Treading on the road where you can't always sight. Still you know, say the fire there inside. Them teach you about gold, about the car, about the chain. But no textbook teach how to carry your pen. Real school had the struggle, every scar on one page. Every loss on one drum, every win on one stage. Yeah, man, no, brother. Every saint did stray, even king have to crawl for him, find him way. So when you slip, just rise, brush off the shame. Cause Jah no mark you with your worst mistake name. This is the journey through the eye, more than flesh, more than tears, where we cry. When the body drop back to the earth, we still rise. Soul can't done, soul can't die. Yeah, yeah. Journey through the eye, walk with courage, even when you're shy. Treading on the road where you can't always sight. Still you know, say the fire there inside. Only if a road where you have to walk on your own. Still you never yet alone. Spirit always there home. Alright. Every little heartbeat a drum for your tribe. Every breath where you take a reminder you alive. So when Babylon a pressure your mind, make sure your soul no sign. Hold firm, keep your crown in a place. Real riches are the light in your face. This is the journey through the eye, more than flesh, more than tears, where we cry. When the body drop back to the earth, we still rise. Soul can't done, soul can't die. Journey through the eye, walk with courage, even when you're shy. Treading on the road where you can't always sight. Still you know, say the fire there inside. Fire there inside. None soul can die. None soul can die. still I tell me how to feel. Grandma said picnic, listen when breeze talk. 'Cause certain truth ride the wind when you walk. Echo in a footstep, echo in a footstep, echo in a sigh, echo in a sigh. Every little tear when my father ever cried, still they are float on the morning cold. Echoes along the ancient road, echo on the ancient road. Me hear them, voice of my people in a every rhythm. From chain and pain to the freedom code, me a march with the echoes on the ancient road. Me say, why me? Spirit answer. Seed can't grow if it fear the hot flat. Pressure build diamond, that a street law. Every scar on my skin is a scripture me draw. Mine have be hardened, but your heart can't stone. Lion have a roar, but him got him home. No dark nights till the sunrise fall. Guide and side in a story where the elder them told. Echo on the ancient road, me hear them. Voice of my people in a every rhythm. From chain and pain to the freedom code, me a march with the echoes on the ancient road. Oh, oh, oh. Them say you remember mountain start as grain. Small step daily, mash down big chain. If you drop, get up, brush off, trod again. Failure a teacher, shame a liar friend. Hope of the anchor, prayer of the sail. Ship might lean, but it can't just fail. Every try again is a secret code. Unlock strength on the ancient road. Echo on the ancient road, me hear them. Voice of my people in a every rhythm. From chain and pain to the freedom code, me a march with the echoes on the ancient road. Echo on the ancient road, me hear them. Ancestor chorus in a every rhythm. From dot and dust to the kingly mode, me a rush with the echoes on the ancient road.
Red dust on me heel, ancient stone, still I tell me how to feel. Grandma said pick me, listen when breeze talk. 'Cause certain truth ride the wind when you walk. Echo in a footstep, echo in a sigh. Every little tear where my father ever cried, still they are float on the morning cold. Echoes along the ancient road, echo on the ancient road. Me hear them, hear them. Voice of my people in a every rhythm. From chain and pain to the freedom code, me a march with the echoes on the ancient road. Me say, why me? Spirit answer, why not? Seed can grow if it fear the heart flat. Pressure build diamond, that a street law. Every scar on my skin is a scripture me draw. Mine have be hardened, but your heart can't stone. Lion have be raw, but him guard him home. Enough dark nights till the sunrise bold. Guide and side in a story where the elder them told. Echo on the ancient road, me hear them. Voice of my people in a every rhythm. From chain and pain to the freedom code, me a march with the echoes on the ancient road. Them say youth member mountain start as grain. Small step daily, mash down big chain. If you drop, get up, brush off, trod again.
Failure a teacher, shame a liar friend. Nobody anchor, prayer a the sail. Ship might lean but it can't just fail. Every try again is a secret code. Unlock strength on the ancient road. Wow. Echo on the ancient road. Me hear them, hear them, hear them. Voice of my people in a every rhythm, yeah. From chain and pain to the freedom code. Me a march with the echoes on the ancient road. Echo on the ancient road. Me hear them, hear them. Ancestor chorus in a every rhythm. From doubt and dust to the kingly mode. Me arise with the echoes from the ancient road. Trot steady, old drum beat in my chest, heartbeat that chant for me already. Grandma wear them like stone, them build me spine, them hold me on. She say you mine on your road, every little choice draw road in your soul. Echoes span the ancient road. You hear it, you hear it. Voice of the elders. Them a load me code. Stand firm, I saw the breeze explode. Me nah fall, me I walk with the echoes on the ancient road. Enough man lost in a fast code. Flashlight lightning, gone when the rain cold. Miss a slow step, show step. Make your backbone tick, your mind prep. When the crosswind come, me no bow. My plant my foot deep, my pray now. Truth of the lantern, love of the guide. Doubt of the shadow, me left that aside. Echoes on the ancient road. Yo, listen for them. Voice of the elders. My Lord, my call. Stand firm, I saw the breeze explode. Me nah fall, me I walk with the echoes on the ancient road. Who you be when the crowd can't see? Who you be when they like them free? Character or riches we can't take back. Put that in your heart, make it lock your trap. Every fall just a lesson in disguise. Every tear just water for your eyes. Rise, my brother, rise, my sister. Love us all the drum and your soul at the rise.